Triumph Property Management in Las Vegas, Nevada presents a two-story house on 5912 Forest Creek Road in North Las Vegas, Nevada. This home is in the Northeast with shopping, schools, casinos, and easy highway access nearby. The home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and attached 2-car garage. The entry foyer has a tile floor that continues throughout the downstairs. The guest bathroom is by the entry and has a pedestal sink. The laundry room is downstairs and comes with the washer and dryer included in the rent. The attached 2-car garage has an auto door opener and direct entry to the home. The living room and dining area has a ceiling fan with light, window blinds, recessed light, and a patio door. The open kitchen has a breakfast bar, laminate counters, and all the appliances. The breakfast area has blinds on the window and a pantry. The upstairs has wood laminate floors, 4 bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms. The master bedroom has a ceiling fan with light and window blinds. The master bathroom has a tile floor, tub shower combo, large walk-in closet, large vanity, linen closet, and separate water closet. The 3 bedrooms have window blinds. The backyard has a large paver patio. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house with 2,047 square feet is available now for rent. Contact one of Triumph's friendly real estate agents to view this property by calling 702-367-2323 or visit our website, vegasrentnow.com, to view our list of vacancies.